Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a dishwasher that won't drain completely. This video will take you through ways to do so and more, so watch until the end. Here's a guide to the steps you should follow to fix the issue. First, disconnect your dishwasher from power. Clear all the dishes and empty any still water in the dishwasher. Access your filter, drain pump, and garbage disposal and examine their condition. These elements gradually accumulate dirt from food bits that prevent water from draining. Once you find any dirt in any of these components, clean them. Afterward, test your dishwasher and see if it'll drain fully. If it fails, look further into the drain hose and sink air gap and clean them to remove clogs. Test your dishwasher again. If this doesn't resolve the issue, contact a technician and have them look further into your dishwasher for solutions. So that's how you can fix a dishwasher that won't drain completely. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.